I usually do the no water cooking.
Huh?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. You?
Good. I'm good.
So, I've been kind of tired lately, and a friend of mine was saying that eating good vegetables can, help you have a better, mood and make you have more energy.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to cook vegetables, but to be honest, I'm not a very good cook.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm learning about how to make the vegetables taste good.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe, could you give me some tips how to make good vegetables, make vegetables taste good?
Mm-hmm. So I don't know what's called in English, but I usually do the no water cooking.
Huh? How do you cook without water?
Use stainless pots.
Okay.
And wash the vegetables.
Okay.
And then cook no water. I don't know what it's called, but
okay, I just trust you.
I can make a video for you.
Okay.
And you can see and try it.
Okay, that would probably be more helpful because I still don't trust that it works.
No water? A little bit of water though.
Okay.
Teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, something like that.
Okay, I usually use 1 liter, so obviously I'm using too much water.
You don't want to wait until boiling water, right?
Oh yeah, good point.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it'll be faster, and you say it's going to be more delicious, so I look forward to watching the video.
Yep, great.
Okay, cool, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alright everyone, let's get started. Still you can't believe me? It's okay. I'll show it to you. Fast, easy, and also delicious, and also lots of nutrition is definitely spinach. So let's try spinach first. First, wash spinach. Cover the pot and heat on medium. This time I used diameter 20 cm stainless pot. This type of stainless pot, you can do anhydrous cooking.
When it gets warm enough, you can check like this the cover. Try turning a little bit. And wait a minute. Then try again. Oh, this. Did you see that? This is the most important part. So, when you see that cover started strong rotation, you can stop the heat. A leaf vegetable is cooked first. So just 1 minute wait and done cooking. Oh, look, this perfect color. Yummy. Okay, eat very simple today. Cut the roots part. I won't use this part today, but you can eat here and I'll use it miso soup today. So don't throw away. Cut and serve on a plate. And then put on the dried bonito and sprinkle on soy sauce. I used the gluten-free soy sauce today because I love gluten-free food. This is very Japanese homey style. Done! Looks good! Next is pumpkin! So, I'm going to use superpower today. Ready, burn! I hope I have superpower like this. Anyway, it was 200 grams of pumpkin by the way. And use same size pot. Prep the little bit of water aside. Put the pumpkin and add 3 tablespoons of water. And cover the pot and heat on medium. When you see that the cover started strong rotation, like this, turn down the heat for 4 minutes. And stop the heat, then let it steam for 3 minutes. Don't open the cover until steam is done. That time it's still cooking. Ta-da! That smells so good. Nice and soft. Okay, so I'll make a pumpkin soup for dinner. Mash the pumpkin and add soy milk or cow's milk. And then add salt and pepper. And use a hand blender to make a smooth. Also, you can use a mixer too. Nice and smooth. I love to eat pumpkin skin, but you can remove it if you don't like it or if you want to make perfect orange color. And then decorating the soup with soy milk and parsley. Also, you can use heavy cream too. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to take a quick picture and share in the comments below or tag NKitchen Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!